In this video, I'll show you how to set up taxes in Woocommerce. Start by signing into your WordPress dashboard. Since Woocommerce runs on WordPress, you'll configure your tax settings directly from the WordPress admin panel. Next, go to Woocommerce, then Settings, and open the General tab. Scroll down and make sure Enable Taxes is turned on, then save your changes if you made any updates. After that, open the Tax tab. Here you can choose how taxes are calculated, whether prices are entered with or without tax, and how taxes are displayed to customers during checkout. Now create your tax rates by selecting standard rates, reduced rate rates, or zero rate rates, depending on your business needs. Click Insert Row and enter the country, state, tax rate, and any other required information. Next, save your tax rates and review the rest of your tax settings to make sure they match your local tax requirements. Once everything is configured, place a test order using an address that matches one of your tax rates. Verify that the correct tax is calculated during checkout. Finally, review your tax settings regularly and update them whenever your tax rates or business requirements change. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up taxes in Woocommerce. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.